Are you a seasoned designer, an aspiring artist, or a video editing enthusiast? Then you know the importance of using the right tool to boost your creative potential. The same applies to Adobe Creative Cloud. Mainly, it's a suite of creative applications, including Illustrator, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro that are used to create and edit projects, but this offers cloud storage to store your projects. Selecting the best laptop as per your specific creative requirements is a bit difficult. To help with your decision-making procedure, let's focus on these three main factors. Factors to consider. 1. CPU. 2. GPU. 3. RAM. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 laptops for Adobe Creative Cloud currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Apple MacBook M4 Pro. Apple's MacBook Pro provides high-end performance with unmatched display quality, ideal for creative professionals. The M4 Pro chip powers through demanding applications such as video editing and graphic design. Additionally, its compact size is complemented by a stunning 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display that offers vibrant colors and extreme brightness, perfect for detailed editing work. Designed for the on-the-go professional, this smaller MacBook Pro version does not skimp on features found in the larger 16.2-inch model even with more storage. It brings the same high-level functionality to a more compact and travel-ready design, ideal for professionals frequently out of the office. With macOS at its core, this laptop enhances the performance of Adobe Creative Cloud applications and other software, maximizing both battery life and performance. The MacBook, with its advanced processing and exceptional display, offers an ideal solution for those utilizing Adobe, enhancing both performance and visual detail for creatives. This perfect match between the software and macOS guarantees not just high performance but also system stability and security, key for professional creative work. Demonstrating Apple's commitment to creatives, this model provides powerful tools that significantly improve productivity and creativity. At number 2, MSI Katana A17. MSI's Katana A17 offers Adobe Creative Cloud users a high-powered Windows alternative to Apple's lineup. Featuring an impressive 17.3-inch QHD panel, this model expands your workspace with clarity and vibrancy. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, it handles even the most demanding creative projects, from video editing to intricate graphic design and 3D animation. Performance-wise, the MSI excels in handling Creative Cloud applications, leveraging its high RAM and advanced GPU to deliver fast rendering times and smooth multitasking capabilities. The high refresh rate of the screen ensures that even the most detailed animations and videos appear fluid, enhancing the overall user experience for creatives who rely on precision and detail. Additionally, the laptop's gaming-grade hardware also makes it an excellent choice for those who want a machine that can double as a powerful gaming rig. With its sleek, understated design, the Katana A17 appeals to both gamers and professionals, combining high-end performance with a backlit keyboard and versatile connectivity, making it ideal for creative work. Though it's not the lightest option, its powerful hardware makes it an excellent choice for users who need a portable powerhouse capable of handling intense creative tasks. While its larger size means it leans toward a desktop replacement, the Katana A17 brings performance and functionality that can keep up with demanding workflows. At number 3, Alienware M18R2. Alienware's M18R2 combines sheer power with sleek design, crafted for content creators who push the limits. Featuring the cutting-edge Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080, this laptop takes on demanding tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. Its advanced specs ensure professionals can run multiple applications fluidly, establishing it as a true powerhouse for both productivity and gaming. The laptop's 18-inch display is a significant advantage for creative professionals who prioritize screen real estate and clarity. The high resolution and 165Hz refresh rate not only provide crisp and fluid visuals but also contribute to a more immersive working environment, crucial when precision in visual projects is required. Additionally, the large screen complements its capability to serve as a gaming rig, offering an exceptional multimedia experience, which is often a welcome break for creatives. Built for both aesthetics and endurance, this Alienware laptop is more than just a high-performance device. It brings together sleek design elements with thoughtful functionality, featuring various connectivity options and an advanced cooling setup to tackle heat efficiently. With a structure crafted to withstand travel and long work hours, it's an excellent tool for those who seek durability without compromising style. Now number 4, Asus ROG Strix G16. Asus ROG Strix G16 combines power and versatility, making it the perfect laptop for gamers and creative professionals. With its Intel Core i7-13650HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics, it effortlessly manages demanding tasks, from intricate graphic design to high-res video editing. The laptop's 16-inch Full HD display, coupled with a 165Hz refresh rate, offers stunning visual fidelity and smooth operation, making it an indispensable tool for any professional creator. With high-speed DDR5 memory and a fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD, this laptop is designed to handle the demands of resource-intensive software. The Asus G16 excels in providing swift software load times and smooth multitasking, which are critical for Adobe applications. Its thermal management system is noteworthy, featuring advanced cooling technology that maintains optimal performance even under heavy loads. This efficient design allows the laptop to operate without throttling, preserving performance integrity throughout long creative sessions. The Asus G16 combines a lightweight and compact design with robust specifications, catering to creatives who seek versatility in their devices. This dual capability makes it an attractive choice for professionals who value both work and play. Its stylish design, complete with RGB lighting, adds a personalized touch that stands out in both office and gaming environments. Now our last product is Asus TUF Gaming A15. Asus has designed the TUF A15 specifically for users seeking an ideal combination of performance, durability, and cost-effectiveness. With its powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7940HS processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics, this laptop efficiently tackles demanding tasks like video editing, animation rendering, and graphic design. The 15.6-inch Full HD display, boasting a 144Hz refresh rate, provides smooth visuals crucial for achieving precision in creative endeavors. The A15 exemplifies the durability expected from the TUF series, boasting a robust build that meets military-grade standards. This resilience makes it an ideal laptop for professionals who might need to work in varied environments, ensuring that it can handle the occasional bump or drop without significant damage. Additionally, the laptop features fast 4800 MHz DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD, significantly reducing load times and improving overall system responsiveness. Designed for high-performance tasks, the TUF A15 effectively manages heat, ensuring consistent operation even during intensive workloads. This efficiency is crucial for creatives who frequently run demanding applications for extended periods. Despite its rugged design, the laptop boasts a relatively sleek profile, making it easily portable for those on the move. Additionally, the inclusion of a MUX switch with advanced Optimus enhances battery life and performance, solidifying its role as an ideal mobile workstation. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.